Hello, this is Sheree for Just.nailedit, and this is Mask Monday. I bought some new masks at shed some light on the subject. Some new masks at Walmart. Pomegranate. My honey. I think I did this one before, I can't remember. So I bought those. I think I want to do this one. So I'm moving these along side over. Hope everybody is doing well. Any comment down below, let me know how everybody is. I'm gonna put a paper towel down, protect my mat. Get out the mask to do whatever. I don't know. I'll see the update from Mama on the end, because, you know, this is what I'm going to do. So this is a pomegranate crush illuminating fiber sheet mask. Looks pretty cool. I don't know why it says. Smells really nice. I have good luck with unfolding these, and you can't see them very well. Can't see them very well. I don't see them very well. I don't see them very well to unfold them. Gotta do my best. Gonna do my best. I love the smell of this. It's just so lightly fragranted and just smells so nice. Smells so nice. Smells so nice. I think by George we bought it, except for this one little flap over here. We pull it down. I think by George we bought it. Well, maybe this one over here too. It folds back up on me. Oh, these are so very cold. So very cold. It feels so good. Ooh. Get very cold on my face. Mask Monday. Oh. I'm not gonna put Michael or his sister on, so we're just gonna leave it at that. We're gonna sit back. This is like a 10 to 20 minute mask, so we're just gonna rub this over the hands, get some moisture going. Vitamin E for all skin types. And we need it. This is the pomegranate crush. Let's look at this here. Look at, I got no skin cover or no chin coverage. Haven't made too many videos. God. Can never get this. Can't ever do this, can we? This doesn't work. A nice pack. I don't know what I was gonna say. Chin never, mouthpiece, this never works for me. I don't know what's going on. Just doesn't seem to work for me. Just don't know what's going on. My back is hurting. A nice pack. So much has been going on here with my mom, and she's still in the physical rehabilitation center. Lots of things, so much has been going on there, so much. Last week was looking pretty grim, Her, ammonia levels are up. So, that was making her kind of non-coherent. So they figured that one out. Now she's back to acting like Mom. Thank God, praise you, Jesus. She's acting like Mom. Mom is back. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. It's great to have her back. I'm just so happy and pleased. I really, really am. I was really scared. Jesus took care of that one. Walked in Saturday morning. I prayed on her Friday night before I left. I did. Took out my blessed oil, prayed on her. Walked in Saturday morning. There she was sitting up, eating her breakfast, feeding herself. I'm like, looky here, looky here. I was so happy. It really shook me. It really, really did. I was so happy. So happy. You just don't even know. You just don't even know. But, you just don't even know. So this is the first video that I've made in quite a while. I mean, I did my shoe modern Saturday, my unboxing, and that was like a half an hour long. I'm really sorry about that, but I had to do my demo. I have a splinter under my nail here at the corner, my cuticle here, my sidewall. Oh my God, just that hurts. You can't see it, but oh boy, I'm in a lot of pain right here. I know it's under there because it hurts really bad. Videos I put this past week, I've had it up for like a couple of weeks. I had them sitting there in the Google on the shelf. So, the only reason I hadn't any videos to put up, they've been done for a while. But I did my sheet on Saturday, when I had my package come in, my order. I got under my desk here, I've got like 4 or 5 packages and I haven't opened because I don't have the time. I've done another pulling 10, 12-hour days. I don't have the time. I'm filming this on Sunday night, like it's like 11:45 at night. I'm doing this early so I will not be editing anything I do. It's just being put up there as is. Any little silly or stupid thing I might do, it's just going up as is. So, sorry. I don't have time. My time is spent devoted to my mom. I have to help her get stronger so she can get back on her feet. I need her. I need my mom. I know that I don't care how that sounds. I'm a mama's girl. That's all there is to it. I'm a mama's girl. Always have been, always will be. To the end of time. To the end of time. That's all it's gonna be. 56 years old, I ain't changing now. Ain't changing now. Well, this video, we're at 10:45. I don't remember how long it's been since I put this on, but we're gonna let it go for a little bit longer. So far, it feels really good. Loving the smell of it. It's really slightly fragranted. It's a nice smell. Love it on my hands. They really feel nice and soft because they were feeling pretty rough beforehand. I needed lotion on them really bad, really bad, so it makes them feel nice and soft, supple. Really soft. It needed some thirsting. They were thirsty, they needed some quenching. They did. So we're going to let this go a couple minutes longer, then I will take it off and rub it in, rub it in. I shouldn't be getting that close to the camera. So if everybody has been having a good last couple weeks since we've talked. Yeah, so leave me some words down below. Let me know what's been going on with you since we have last spoke. It's been a while, hasn't it? I feel out of touch. I mean, I know what's been going on with Kiki. We've been keeping in touch in text messages, but I don't know what's going on with anybody else. I haven't really been keeping in contact with anybody at all. I just really, I haven't, but I don't know what's going on with anybody. This feels jacked up. So yeah, we don't know what's going on with anybody. So let me know what's going on with everybody so I can get up to date, get up to date, get up to date. Yeah, I'm just going to take this off now. I bought my gums enough. Again, this is a pomegranate crush by Bio Republic from Walmart. Hair, a loose hair. My face feels really good, really good. So it's good to be back on Mask Mondays. I don't know how many views I'm going to get. I really am worried about it. It's nice to be back. Don't know how many videos I'll get out this week, and I ain't really worried about it. If you could, please put my playlist on, probably my 2023. Give it a whirl. Please don't skip the commercials. Give them a whirl too. That's how I make my revenue. By that, by you viewing. Yeah, but I guess that's just it for today. Mask Monday, Mom's doing good. She's improving greatly. It's a miracle. It really is. She's got a testimony. I'm just so happy. I really am. I'm pleased as sponge. All glory goes to God. Well, that's it for today on Mask Monday. Before I become emotional, I fear the tears coming. So on that note, we're gonna go. Yeah, I gotta go. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of, if you ever tried this mask before. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos and anything important that slides across my desk. We will see you next time and have a blessed day.